Finally, a new addition to the cooking series. Hot Pockets. It's up on the camera, I don't really care. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to cook a Hot Pocket. So first, obviously, you don't want to put all of this into the microwave at once, or else you're probably going to start a fire. Okay, first let's grab our paper plate. And open it. And then you don't use this plastic, you use this, which is not really plastic. This is a safety covering, so that way when you go to reach your hand into the microwave, you don't burn your hand taking out your Hot Pocket. Yes, my voice just cracked. And then it says 2 minutes for this one thing. I don't know why, but it's probably because there's a lot of stuff in it. And then, if you're planning on making like another one, which I'm not, most likely, probably not, then you can put the box away. But if you want to cook 2, then it says 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and then it says let's set for 2 minutes, which I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna pull it out of the microwave. It's a pepperoni one. That's what the Hot Pocket is. And yes, I know that I need to make another edition on how to cook ramen. I need to do the how to eat ramen. And yes, I need to do how to eat toast. Don't know why I just didn't do that in one full video, probably because it would have been very stirring to watch me eat. But, you know, probably got a lot taller, I think. I'm like almost 6 foot. I'm taller than my dad. I'm like 5'10". I want to know how my family found a watermelon this big. It's extremely heavy. Now I have a massive head. This thing is massive compared to my head. I forgot to put the plate in with it. Let's see how my microwave looks. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Now, you do not immediately eat a Hot Pocket after it comes out of the microwave. You do not wait 2 minutes, you wait 20 minutes. These things are extremely hot. Like, I have this wrapper on. Yes, I know I was also in the microwave with it. But just barely touching it, it's maybe like half the heat of the Hot Pocket. I think I might make how to make pizza rolls next, or how to make chicken patties next. So, we're gonna wait for this Hot Pocket to cool down, which hopefully should be soon. Just slide out of here. Well, I'm a stupid idiot because apparently there's also instructions on the back of this, but you know what? It's going to ignore them because it's colored by sauce. I'd still eat it, but I don't really feel like it. It's telling you how to press the Hot Pocket. For some reason, we have these little shot glasses, even though that nobody drinks in my house. I was told that my sister likes them. She's weird. And then if you say, oh, maybe your sister does drink underage, you really think that a 2-year-old drinks alcohol? I couldn't have that, huh? I mean, that's the outside layer of it. The moment that you go to... Yeah, I forgot, this is not a chip. You can't split it open. I don't even know what I just said there. And then if you want, like, chips and stuff with it, which I don't know who just eats one Hot Pocket. I don't know. Then you can grab chips, fries, mashed potatoes, vegetables, anything you want with it. I don't really care. The only thing that we really have in my house is chips. Chip bread. We also have like two and a half snack cabinets. Sometimes stuff goes in there. I'm not even allowed to touch this one, I don't think, at least. It's like stuff that my sister eats up there. And then this cabinet is always almost empty. This is my cabinet. I don't know if this is going to be copyright, but I'm not even monetized, so. Pop-Tarts. I thought it is. More Pop-Tarts. Nobody likes the strawberry ones. Nobody even likes the fruit ones. Changed my mind. This just has, this bowl just has like the most random crap in it. Like, what is this? What even is any of this? Like, these Skittles are over 2 years old, I think. Like, there's just like the most random crap in here. Some of the stuff was even from like Halloween like 2 years ago. What even is this? Why is this? This just has a pack of Smarties in it, that's all. Mary Kay? What is that? I think it's like a company. I don't know. I'm guessing it's like a hair salon, something. I don't know. I don't even know why it's in there. They've been in there for a while, and apparently they only have Smarties in them. Let's see if the Hot Pocket's ready. Probably still needs a little bit more time to cool off. I haven't had a Hot Pocket for so long. Is my uncle even here? No, he's not. This is where he's staying. Which is not the most ideal spot because this is where everybody comes because it's the playroom. But this is my gaming setup. Don't worry, I'm going to be getting the PS5, which some gameplay for that may or may not come out. I know that a whole bunch of YouTubers are going to be getting the PS5 early, but, you know. I just, I'm not going to keep that closed. Yeah. So yeah, when the PS5 comes out, most likely be ready for some PS5 gameplay. I don't know what game I'm going to be playing. I hope it's not Fortnite. Fortnite is trash. Seems to be ready now. But the middle's going to be really hot. It's always the middle that's extremely hot, and then everything else is cold. But yeah, if you want chips or anything, which I don't know if I will or not later, then you can. This is just a cooking tutorial on how to make a Hot Pocket. So yeah, after you finish cooking it, wait for a few minutes. I would say instead of 2, wait for like 5. Because it's been like 3 minutes, I think. No, a little over that. Maybe wait a little bit more than 5 minutes because it's been more than 5 minutes, I think. I don't know. And then it should be ready to eat. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Comment saying that this was helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably be a Siege video. I don't know. Probably a COD video. I don't play COD that much anymore. It's mostly Siege. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.